220,993,962 views from just one of the channels out of the 5 of these ideas about channels without showing your face that we're going to talk about in this video. And at the end, we're going to talk about what to do with all these views, an actual strategy to utilize these views, to turn these views into an actual online business or money. First up, I want to show you my channel just for a baseline. This is 30-minute marketing, and I want to show you the site that we're going to use to verify the stats because we're talking about views. You can see 830,091 views here in this graph. So we're looking at 8,030 and 91 views. We're going to go back to my channel just to verify. It's pretty close because you can see here in my studio analytics, 837,533 views so far. And that over here is set for or drop down to the lifetime of the channel. And with that, the first channel that I want to look at and the first idea is how-to apps. And actually all of these channels that I'm going to show you until we get to the last one are basically the same thing. Here you can see that this is a relatively new channel or a smaller channel with only 48 videos. The last videos that it made, 6 views, 7 views, 8 views, 8 views. But if you click on popular and you sort that, you can see that they have 1 year ago, 896,000 views. This is basically how this works. You get one video that really takes off, and then you have a few other videos to support it. But the idea is you go back to latest, and really what they're doing here is they're just making short videos, and they're working the search algorithm or suggested once someone subscribes or once YouTube knows that people are interested in these type of quick videos where they're just explaining these simple things. Also, you can see up here in their header, they release a new video every morning. How-to apps, their channel over the lifetime has received 900,000 views. Of course, they had that one quote-unquote viral hit that basically made their channel to this point, but they'll continue to grow. And you can see here, our reviews, 399,000 subscribers with almost 3,000 videos. Come down here, they're making videos. They made a video a day ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, but you can look at the views. Their videos based upon the size of their channel and probably how well they're done is what is driving the views here on this channel. And you can see that they have millions of views 3 years ago, 1.7, 1.3, 1.2, 1.2. If you take a look at what they're actually about, you can see here, iReviews brings you the latest iOS news, apps, tips, tricks, tutorials, and rumors, and they do all that without showing their face. Of course, here's the view stats for iReview. Again, you can see that they are pulling in those amount of views. As we saw on the channel, we saw the individual videos that were responsible for this growth. Next up is a channel, How to Solve It. This channel is all about how-to videos that include mobile secret tricks, phone secret settings, secret phone features, tutorials, tips, and how-to guides. You can see that they've listed a bunch of YouTube videos here. And of course, this is not clickable, so I don't know why they wasted that space. But understand here, 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 863 views. Click on popular, and they have views from 6, 2, 4, and 8 years ago that are over 3 million views apiece. This one almost 5 million views 6 years ago with this horrid thumbnail. But the quality of the video or the information in the video is what drives the views. As you can see, they're simply just sharing their screen, or they're sharing the screen of a phone, and they are not showing their face. And here's how to solve it over view stats, 162 million views. And yeah, we're going to talk about here towards the end what these views mean or how to actually use them with a proven strategy. But before we do that, we're going to take a look at Tech Life Unity, the same idea. Very simple videos here. Mute or unmute a convo on an iPhone, how to use TikTok notes, WhatsApp group calls, set up voicemail. And I think you see what's going on here. These channels are simple and they're all about the same things, using technology and apps mostly on mobile devices. Now here's a channel, LearnWire, that is a little different than the other channels, and I want to show this to really talk about what it is you can do with the views, because you understand that a channel like this or a channel like LearnWire, we specialize in software reviews and tutorials. We log in a new software and we take them for a test drive to show you what the new user experience is like for up-and-coming software launches. We also show you the best lifetime deals for software and where to get them. And you can see here, LearnWire is working their way up to almost 2 million views over the lifetime of their channel. They're actually linking over to a marketplace called AppSumo, where you pay once and you can get software without paying a subscription. These are legitimate, for the most part, softwares that you can buy once and use, and all they simply do is what I'm doing here right now, sharing my screen, the things that I've done here on the channel, the types of videos that I've done here on the channel many, many times, and I actually have my own channel that does this same strategy, and that's what I want to talk about now, utilizing a marketplace like AppSumo, where you're giving useful information on software products. So inside my Affiliating Build a Profitable Online Business roadmap here with 9 steps, we utilize my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer, and then we are essentially putting those people on an email list that come from the traffic that we generate. And you can see here what we've done is we have looked at channels that are down here in the first pillar that is required for every online business to include a YouTube channel, and we have traffic. Traffic is essentially views, and I'll put a view here, and what you want to do with this strategy is you want to ascend, or you want to move people up the stack, and you want to essentially get them to the top, and you want to build an email list. Building this email list of people that are interested in the content on your YouTube channel allows you to take the views. All of those channels actually could use this exact same strategy, and you could take the time to generate an offer or present an offer based upon the helpful content that you're creating. And if you go back and you look at most of those channels, and you should do your own research, you'll see that they have links. Some of them are direct linking to products. Some of them are direct linking to their website, but some of them are doing like I do in my proven top strategy. I create a super simple squeeze page to let them know exactly how we can help them based upon all of the content, or I pick one particular video and I create a very unique squeeze page for that video if it's something unique that I want to focus on. And I say, look, here's exactly how I can help you with what I'm showing you, or I can continue to help you solve the problem ultimately so you can move forward. And I've already built that trust and rapport in that video, even without showing my face. They're going to give me their email address. I'm going to add them to my email list, and then I'm going to simply follow up with them. That's the difference in my case, in my proven strategy, and the things that I talk about here on this channel. Even if you're doing it faceless, which you can do, I recommend that eventually you move past that, but you don't have to, because as you saw in this video, there's many, many proven channels that are out there getting views. Then you just have to have the tactics, and you have to learn the tools and the technology. You put all that together with a proven strategy, and then you build up from generating views, which is traffic, to letting people know about the offers that you have. And then you add those people to an email list, and you become a marketer that utilizes the views that you're getting here on YouTube to build your own profitable online business. It really is just that simple. It just requires a little focus, a little dedication and discipline to make the videos, and a proven strategy, which is my proven top strategy. Link in the description. Check it out. I'll walk you through exactly how it works, exactly how I do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.